Well, we will go for next variety of problem based on non-annual or semi-annual or quarterly based calculation of future value. Okay, so here is the question: calculate the compounded value or future value when rupees 3000 is invested for 3 years and interest on it is compounded at 10% per annum semi-annually period. Okay, so what is the given figure here? Okay, first we will see the given, that is principal amount. They have given rupees 3000, N is 3 years and interest is, that is I is 10%, and one more is left out, that is semi-annually period. Okay, that is the M here. Okay, so if they have divided the year into the two partitions, so that is semi-annually, so we have the 6 months once as the period to compound your future value. So if it is for 1 year, we are taking into the two partition, so your M will be here 2. Okay, so for 1 year we are dividing into the two periods, that is for 6 months once, so that is why M is 2 here. Okay, so we'll apply the formula to calculate the future value by using the semi-annual period. So this is the formula here. Future value equals to P into 1 plus I divided by M raised to M into N. Okay, now we'll see the principal amount. So already we have in the figures 3000, 1 will remain as it is. I is, so we need to write it in a fraction, right? So that's why you just take 10 divided by 100. We will get the 0.1. 0.1 divided by M is how much? It is 2. So you just write as it is 2. Again M into N means 2 is M, N is 3. Just will write as it is 3000 into 1 plus. Okay, now what we need to do? So we need to divide this figure into this figure. So 0.1 divided by 2, we will get the 0.05. So what is the multiplication of these two? 2 into 3, 6. Okay, now we will go for simplification again. 3000 into, so add this one, 1.05 raised to 6. Okay, so how you need to calculate this figure? So that is 1.05 into 1.05, 2 times 1.05, 3 times 1.05, 4, 1.05, 5, 1.05, 6. So this is the value of 3000 into 6 times you multiply, that is I will write the simplification here. So the valuation of this figure is, so 3000 into 1.3400. So just we will multiply this answer, and whatever the product we will get is the answer as the future value of semi-annually, that is 4020 rupees 0.28 paise. So hope you understood the problem.